Priyanka, you can start.
Okay, sir. Good afternoon. Myself Priyanka Narode, and topic for presentation is wireless power transmission, guided by Professor Durave, sir. So, contents are: what is wireless power transmission, application of wireless power transmission, need for wireless power transmission, how it works, and conclusion. So, what is wireless power transmission? The simple definition of wireless power transmission is the transmission of energy from one place to another place without using wire. The air will be act as a medium through air. The wireless power transmission is done. The main function of this wireless power transmission is to allow electrical devices to be charged continuously without using help of wires. For example, we can charge our phones and induction cooking is also an example of wireless power transmission. Application of wireless power transmission is used in moving targets like fuel-free electrical vehicles, fuel-free airplanes, fuel-free rockets, and moving the robots. The other applications of wireless power transmission are wireless to charge our phones. Need of wireless power technology. It is reliable, efficient, and fast due to no use of copper in wire. Low maintenance cost, can be used for short range or long range. Wireless power transfer technology can potentially reduce or eliminate the need of wires and batteries. How it works? There is one transmitter device and another receiver. In wireless power transmission system, a transmitter device driven by a electrical power from a power source generate a time varying electromagnetic which transmit power across space to a receiver device. Receiver device extract power from the field and supplies it to an electrical load. Conclusion: the concept of wireless transmission is leading innovation in the world. This can change the era of wasting of copper for using it for home wiring better than conventional wire transferring. Wireless transfer saves the energy consumption and transmission losses. Thank you.